Oh my god, guys, the temperature this year is hotter than last year. What has happened to our planet Earth? The world is getting warmer, whether the cause is human activity or natural variability, and the preponderance of evidence says it's humans. Thermometer reading all around the world have risen steadily since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution. According to an ongoing temperature analysis conducted by scientists at NASA's Goddard Institute for Space Studies, that is GISS, the average global temperature on Earth has increased by about 0.8 degrees Celsius, that is 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit, since 1880. Two-thirds of the warming has occurred since 1975 at a rate of roughly 0.15 degrees Celsius to 0.2 degrees Celsius per decade. But why should we care about just 1 degree of warming? After all, the temperature fluctuates by many degrees every day where we live. The global temperature record represents an average over the entire surface of the planet. The temperatures we experience locally and in short periods can fluctuate significantly due to predictable cyclical events such as day and night, summer and winter, and hard to predict wind and precipitation patterns. But the global temperature mainly depends on how much energy the planet receives from the sun and how much it radiates back into space, quantities that change very little. The amount of energy radiated by the Earth depends significantly on the chemical composition of the atmosphere, particularly the amount of heat trapping greenhouse gases. A 1 degree global change is significant because it takes a vast amount of heat to warm all the oceans, atmosphere, and land by that much. In the past, a 1 to 2 degree drop was all it took to plunge the Earth into the Little Ice Age. A 5 degree drop was enough to bury a large part of North America under a towering mass of ice 20,000 years ago. Decades within the base period do not appear particularly warm or cold because they are the standard against which all decades are measured. The leveling off between the 1940s and 1970s may be explained by natural variability and possibly by cooling effects of aerosols generated by the rapid economic growth after World War II. Fossil fuels use also increased in the post-war era, which is 5% per year, boosting greenhouse gases. But aerosol cooling is more immediate, while greenhouse gases accumulate slowly and take much longer to leave the atmosphere. The strong warming trend of the past 3 decades likely reflects a shift from comparable aerosol and greenhouse gas effects to a predominance of greenhouse gases as aerosols were curbed by pollution controls, according to GISS Director Jim Hansen. Thank you, friends, for watching the video. If you like it, please press the like button and subscribe to Nerd Prophecies to enjoy more videos.